Good day, everyone. We are Group 1, and today we will be presenting the highlights of our interview with Miss Elizabeth A. Carriazo, the owner of F&M Glass and Aluminum Services. Through this interview, we learned how the company started, how it continues to improve, and the inspiring leadership principles that guide its success. Listening to her story helped us understand the values, patience, and dedication required to manage and sustain a business. For this presentation, we will begin by showing the recording of our interview with Miss Elizabeth Carriazo. After that, we will provide a brief background about its operations. We will also give a short profile of the business owner. Lastly, we will share the key lessons we learned and how these insights will guide us in our future paths in the business field. So now, let's proceed to watching the interview that took place on October 26 via Google Meet with our technical assistant, Ms. Arshaga, as the interviewer, and our guest of honor, Ms. Elizabeth Carriazo, who is the co-owner of F&M Glass and Aluminum Services.
Good day, everyone. I am Samantha Arshaga, the Technical Assistant of Group 1. Today, I am with Miss Elizabeth Carriazo, the owner of F&M Glass and Aluminum. This interview aims to learn more about her company, her background, and her experiences as a business leader. We hope to gain insights about leadership and how it plays a role in managing a successful business. Thank you for your time, Miss Elizabeth Carriazo, and it's an honor to have this opportunity to interview you. So I will start asking the question now. First, can you tell us about your company, the service it offers, as well as the customers or projects you usually handle?
F&M, Francis and May Glass and Aluminum Services, we do all kinds of glass and aluminum works like shower enclosure, aluminum and glass doors and windows, glass partition, and aluminum kitchen cabinets. Usually residential and commercial yung nasa-servicean namin.
When and how did your glass and aluminum business start?
It started year 2011. Nung nag-decide kami ng husband ko na mag-start ng small shop, nag-resign kami parehas sa full-time job namin as an employee.
What inspired you to establish this kind of business?
Actually, ito lang kasi talaga yung work na alam namin na meron na kaming background sa aluminum and glass. Kaya ito yung inumpisahan namin na business.
Can you tell
Tsaka
us?
yung one more, yung family din is the main reason why I decided to put up a small shop. Syempre pagka may sarili ka ng business, meron ka ng time freedom, mas magkakaroon ka na ng time sa family mo kasi nung nag-work ako sobrang hirap na hindi ko nagagabayan yung dalawang anak ko sa mga assignments nila, sa mga projects nila. So yun din, time freedom, tapos meron kang, kumbaga, ikaw yung sariling, wala kang boss, kumbaga, sarili mo or hawak mo yung time mo.
So can you tell us about your education and previous work experience that prepared you for running your own glass and aluminum service company?
Office staff ako as an encoder sa isang kilalang shopping mall sa Makati. Usually, documentation, filing of documents, usually yun yung mga madalas na ginagawa ko, encoding.
What skills or qualities help you manage and grow your business successfully?
Siguro yung pagiging good listener ko. Madali kasi akong makakonect sa customer, sa mga needs nila, tsaka yung being kind and honest with them.
What are your future goals or plans for your business?
Mas madagdagan pa namin yung mga services na ma-offer namin sa customer at makapagpagawa din kami ng mga high-end aluminum glass para sa mga client na gusto ng mga high-end. Tapos mabigyan din namin ng service yung mga customer na naghahanap ng mas cheaper or mas mababang presyo pero quality service naman.
Last question is what message or advice would you like to share with young people who want to become successful business leaders someday?
Sa mga nagnanais na maging business owners, siguro mapapayo ko lang wag masyadong magmadali or wag hangarin agad yung income or yung malaking kita. Kumbaga, mas unahin nila na pagandahin yung service sa mga tao. Tapos, number one siguro yung good management. Dapat hands-on ka sa kahit anong negosyong papasukin nyo. Maayos yung pag-handle nyo sa mga staff nyo. Tapos dapat meron ka ding basic accounting kahit papano. Alam mo yung expenses, yung mga pumapasok tsaka yung lumalabas para at least mamomonitor mo kung kumikita ba talaga yung shop or yung company na pinut up nyo. At saka may isa pa, hard work, syempre. Tsaka yung perseverance. May mga times talaga na mahina, so dapat matyaga ka lang talaga, tuloy-tuloy lang sa ginagawa. At saka pinaka-importante, masaya ka sa pagbibigay ng serbisyo sa mga tao at masaya ka rin sa ginagawa mo.
So, thank you for your wonderful message about young entrepreneurs who are planning to pursue business, especially for us who are in the accounting field. Thank you so much, Ms. Carriazo, for taking the time to share your experiences and insights with us today. We truly learned a lot about F&M Glass and Aluminum and your journey as a business leader. Your story has given us a better understanding of what it means to lead with dedication and passion. And on behalf of Group 1, I sincerely appreciate your time and cooperation. It was a pleasure interviewing you.
Okay, thank you. God bless.
Good day, everyone. I am Samantha Archaga, the technical assistant of Group 1.
After watching the interview and hearing Mrs. Carriazo share her experiences and insights, let us now give you a brief overview of the company she co-founded, which is Francis and May, or F&M, Glass and Aluminum Services. Based in Muntinlupa City, Philippines, F&M provides a wide range of glass and aluminum products and installation services, including screen doors and windows, sliding doors, mirrors, frameless doors, and other customized glass solutions. The company serves both residential and commercial clients, ensuring quality workmanship and careful attention to detail. Founded in 2011, F&M started as a small shop and steadily grew through consistent service and customer trust. Today, it is recognized for its reliability, accuracy, and dedication, while continuing to expand its products and enhance its services, offering affordable yet high quality solutions.
F&M Glass and Aluminum Service is located at 13 National Road, Butatan, Muntinlupa City. The company can be reached through their mobile numbers 0919 077-2257 and 0920-350-8027. For inquiries, quotations, or service requests, the company maintains an active online presence through their official Facebook page, F&M Glass and Aluminum Services, where clients may send message, view samples of their completed projects, and stay updated on their latest offerings and announcements.
The interview with Mrs. Carriazo was conducted on October 26, 2025. The discussion took the place virtually through Google Meet, which is allowed the interviewer to engage in a focused and productive conversation with the owner.
Now, let us give you a brief resume of our interviewee, Mrs. Elizabeth A. Carriazo. Mrs. Carriazo is the co-owner and co-founder of F&M Glass and Aluminum Services, which she established with her husband in year 2011. She earned a Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Banking and Finance from the Adamson University, and attended the seminar on the Philippine Clearing House Corporation, an interbank call loan in 1996 to strengthen her financial knowledge. Before starting her own business, Mrs. Carriazo worked for 15 years as a data entry operator at the Landmark Corporation, where she developed strong organizational and interpersonal skills. She is known for being kind, honest, and a good listener, which has helped her build trust and maintain strong relationships with clients. Since 2012, she has successfully managed and grown F&M Glass and Aluminum Services, and she aims to continue expanding the company while keeping high-quality products affordable and consistent.
The interview lasted approximately 6 minutes. The interviewer, conducted the questions purely in English, while the interviewee, Miss Elizabeth A. Carriazo, responded in a mix of Tagalog and English. Both the original transcript and the English translated version of the interview are included in this paper. Here are also some pictures during my interview with Mrs. Carriazo.
Our interview with Mrs. Carriazo gave us a deeper understanding of what it truly takes to build and sustain a successful business. We learned that strong values, responsible leadership, and good financial management are essential in guiding a company toward growth. Her emphasis on honesty, transparency, and quality service showed us that success is not achieved by rushing to earn, but by serving customers with sincerity and consistency. We were also inspired by how she leads with patience, discipline, and dedication while still valuing her responsibilities as a wife and mother. Her story demonstrated that entrepreneurship requires perseverance, trust, and genuine care for both the business and the people involved. Most importantly, she reminded us that passion and joy in one's work serve as the true foundation for long-term success. Overall, the interview encouraged us to pursue our future careers with greater purpose and confidence. It strengthened our understanding that leadership is a combination of practical skills, strong character, and a willingness to continue learning every step of the way.
Lastly, here are the references that we used.
That ends our presentation. This has been Group 1 and we thank you for listening.